Hello and welcome to this lecture series on Introduction to Simulate Simulation. Simulate Simulation is a software that is worldwide being used for building up simulations to solve business problems that involves processes and flows. And if you want to test out your ideas and what if questions, then simulation is the answer. And the upcoming industrial revolution actually encompasses or has a very important component that involves computer simulations to solve various kinds of business problems. So, this is going to be the agenda of this whole lecture series. I'll start off by talking about giving you the overview of simulation. What exactly is simulation? And why do we need to do simulation? How a simulation can be positioned in an organization? Where exactly does this actually solve or provide us the assistance to solve business problems in an organization? A lot of times, specifically, I believe in developing countries, um, simulation is something that is largely misunderstood. People believe that simulation is only related to computer games, or either it is only related to areas of, for example, virtual reality or augmented reality. And so, specifically talking about the developing countries, simulation is largely misunderstood. But what I want to make a statement here is that in every single organization, whether it is a hospital, whether it is a school, whether it is a bank, or whether it is an industry or a manufacturing industry, everywhere you can simulate a system. Because in every organization, there is a system that involves people, machine, money, and other systems. So, uh, anything in this world that is a system can be simulated. And if you can simulate it on your computers, you can actually study it in great depth. So then I want to talk about the future of simulation, particularly in the context of Industry 4.0 and the fourth industrial revolution, the upcoming fourth industrial revolution. Then I would like to give you a tour of this particular software, which is Simulate. I'll also give you a demonstration of the basic model, and then we'll go over through uh, some of the case studies that are presented by um this particular simulate simulation software themselves. So they have the software is being used in big names and big companies, and they have case studies from those companies. And I would like to brief out those case studies for you to make it easier for you to understand that what exactly is this software about and how you can use the power of simulation to solve business problems in your organization. So stay tuned, and I'll build up the lectures in the upcoming videos, and I'm sure that you'll have a great time learning about computer simulations.